It's Miss Emma. I'm going to show the code for your set 6 words. Are we ready? Past. Past, past. Unless you said past, past, the king says past. Father. Father, father. Father. Class. K-or-as, class. Unless you said class, k-or-as, class, the king says class. Water. W-ought-a, water. Water. Again. A-g-e-n, again. Again. Grass. G-r-as, grass. Unless you say grass, g-r-as, grass, the king says grass. Pass. P-as, pass. Unless you say p-as, pass, the king says pass. Plant. P-or-ant, plant. Unless you say p-or-ant, plant, but the king says plant. Path. Path, path. Unless you say path, 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 but the king says path. Bath. Bath, bath, unless you say bath, bath, but the king says bath. Hour. Hour, hour. Hour. Move. Move, move. Move. Prove. Prove, prove. Prove. Half. Half, half. Half. Money. M-a-n-e, money. Money. Improve. Improve, improve. Improve. That's it. Do you want to go fast? Okay, but use the speech sound King's sounds. Past, past, past. Father, father, father. K-or-as, class, class. W-ought-a, water, water. Again, again, again. G-r-as, grass, grass. P-as, pass, pass. P-or-ant, plant, plant. P-ath, path, path. B-ath, bath, bath. Hour, hour, hour. Move, move, move. Prove, prove, prove. Half, half, half. M-a-n-e, money, money. Improve, improve, improve. Woohoo! Play them in the SSP Spelling Piano app. That's all we've got time for today. See you again soon. Toodaloo. Plant.